Inspektor Kordon.
Wat akan dong balai tang email ru. Ngan wat epi bat penam laj nak ti jong kan.
Ini mau tu inspektor bon temai. Saya pikai adukan nu lawan le.
Tang ba tip me umen jong karisa usaha yang begini hap.
Tang bat hi ko bai ngan yai ne tang bat hi shilin ter ka jeng em tang bat hi ko bai ngalarai.
Namda ketiye kene kakam jonga kade po kich shabak kich namti eye.
Tu kitrok ke pikam balai people like no don give pressure ne hakana korkom balai kiri jong high level ne
Hakmat jongahi. Umdan high level dan low level. Umdan bahek bahan. Barok ki long lut kumju.
Ya ki kenti ba phila clay nakular kin om sap ai jimut jing perkha shapi ki hai jing e chonga jong pi kin om ya phe.
Kinong yalam Shnong jongka Shnong Nartap mentakas ngi ka arpo pratrik urisau kila Plie ba ya kacaka kan siawi kikot kabalatip haga ktinong we kum ka community library hapo ka Shnong kanang baki samla kin yo ban pelut haga ban wat ya ka jing start ha ka te ka jaka ha ka negas ngi lawan ban Plie ya ka te ka library da u roman ning tau jam naga gonj foundation kum ukongsan ha ka jing don lang uba si shabong kum ukram savak ka mausan tai circle harangkat kiwi de kirong ba bat ki pai ba nong song Shnong kumban sia thu ka te ka jaka kan sio kot la penbit penbiang da ka Shnong Nartap da ka jingyo jingyarap lang ba lightly ki kan hun Traimon Sobha kata Kamosoni Socio Economic Foundation ka Parimal Foundation ka CONJ bat harangkat ka jing IT met ban sem da ki nong song Shnong ban penlum penlang ye ki kot na la ki ying ha ka te ka sina ka liang jong ki nong tre jong ki te ki lightly ki kan hun ki la sams ngo bharu shagi khana school da ki tiar bakin yo panon ka ha ka jing pule ka jong ki
materials stops. Today we have already inaugurated the library. Whatever we have the book we already contributed. Whatever the villagers had the book villagers had already contributed. Kampu Piramal Foundations. Going forward, we also need to subscribe more newspaper, subscribe more employment news, subscribe more magazines, so that people can come, read, enjoy the library. Also, we can also think to collect the contribution from the villagers as well as from the neighboring villagers whoever come to community library for maintenance of the community library. You know, one computer has already contributed by the Musoni, but now to make a resourceful center we need to buy one printer. We need to connect with the internet. We need to buy more computer so that villagers, youths, students, anyone can come and access the internet. So that for applying the government jobs, for applying the college, for applying anything in the internet. contributed the books more, we are also looking forward to contribute more for the children. Since due to the lack of the limited time, we could not provide more books, but going forward, next time we will think to provide more books for children, so that children can also enjoy more books.